We now move to what is known as the Late Bronze Age, approximately 1500 to 1200 BCE. It's also known as the International Period. There's a lot of exchange of cultures, Egypt, Mesopotamia, the Sea People. This particular vessel represents a piece that's imported into the ancient Middle East from Cyprus. It's a Cypriot milk bowl with a wishbone handle. It's painted white and it has decoration around it. It's a very distinctive piece. This could provide many different uses for storage, but it represents an import. Also, at the other extreme, we see pieces that we call bills. They are probably imported from either India or China, and they represent, if we tip them upside down, a poppy flower, the blossom of and possibly they contained an import of a narcotic, poppy, but also maybe other herbs and spices that came from the Far East at that time. So the design of the bottom of these represents the natural flower that provided some seeds that would have been used. Then also around the sides here are these beautifully painted dishes. The bowls were more for dipping than they were for eating from, but they were painted on the interior and obviously were made on a wheel as the paint was applied. And this is kind of a matching pair, as we think today our dishes must match in style and shape and decoration. So this is decorated ware, painted ware. These two pieces represent one of the favorite colors that would be applied to pottery. We call this our Canaanite candy dish. Again, made on a wheel. It looks like something that you might purchase at Macy's or Dillard's today. It's a beautifully formed piece. You can see the marks of the potter's stick as he formed and made the design here. On the side of this vessel are chocolate designs. Chocolate ware on white was very popular at that time. And the quintessential piece of this period, of course, is the Canaanite water vessel, the pilgrim flask. We find them in larger sizes and even in smaller sizes for perfume and ointment, but larger sizes would have been strapped to the sides of camels or donkeys as people traveled across the ancient world. I actually purchased this piece myself in Jerusalem during a sabbatical some years ago because I wanted a representative shape. Later designs of the Roman and Greek period would follow the same design, but would put ridges around it to represent the earlier painted goods. So this period is a period of great expression, of travel, of creativity and imagination. We've moved from basic simplicity of the early bronze to this late bronze period.